The Royal Enfield Super Meteor 650 and the Shotgun 650, very similar bikes but very different riding styles. So when is a Meteor not a Meteor? When it's a Metegun, of course. Mid-pegs or forward pegs? That is the question. Some riders, like Evan from Australia, love their Super Meteor 650 but hate the forward pegs. And I get it. Everyone to their own. The Meteor's rear suspension is not the best, and for better comfort and different riding posture, the allure of mid-pegs is there. So Evan took matters into his own hands. He swapped out his Super Meteor's forward pegs for mid-pegs from the Shotgun 650. And let me tell you, he's absolutely thrilled with the results, enough to send me the photos and video to share with you. Now you might be wondering, why would someone do this? Well, if you're more comfortable with mid-peg setup, it puts your knees in a different angle, eases pressure on your spine and gives better control over the bike, especially in corners. It's a sportier stance compared to the classic cruiser feel of forward pegs. But then we have the Shotgun 650 owners who might be thinking the exact opposite. They love their bobber styling, but wouldn't it be nice to complete the look with a set of forward pegs and higher handlebars? That would give the Shotgun an even more laid-back cruiser vibe. Which brings me to an idea. What if we started a peg swap shop right here on this channel? Imagine this, Super Meteor 650 owners looking for mid-pegs could connect with Shotgun 650 owners looking for forward pegs and trade parts. What do you think? Now Evan was lucky. He managed to source second-hand parts from a bike that had been in an accident, but if you were to buy everything brand new, you're looking at over $1,000 to swap out your setup. So for those that are interested, let's help each other out. If you're thinking about swapping your pegs, drop a comment below. Maybe we can get a little trading community going. Would you prefer forward pegs or mid pegs? Let me know. And just looking at my bike here, you can see where Evan removed the 2 bolts to remove the front peg assembly and controls, and then you can see where the Shotgun controls would fit. So a big thanks to Evan for proving that this concept works. If you found this interesting, hit that like button and subscribe for more Royal Enfield content, because I have got some very exclusive content coming up very soon. Until next time, ride safe.